Good morning, children. Welcome to our GK online class. So, in the previous lessons, we have talked about life in the desert. Okay. So now, in this video, we are going to learn about in your genes. Okay. Now, see here what it is written. Do you and your mother have the same eye color? Is your hair a curly as your father? Such similarity may be explained through genetics. Now we already know about the genes. Okay, these are the genetic transformation from our ancestors. Okay, now genetics is the study of heredity or how certain characteristics pass from parents to their young ones. So these term we know genetics. Okay, obviously you have learned in the science class also. This lesson is very well known. So this is all about the genetics. Okay, now number one, genes exist in our cell. It is true or false? You know, the right true for the sentence which are true and F for the false, that we already know. So number one, it is written genes exist in our cell. Genes क्या हमारे सेल में होते हैं? Yes or no? True. Yes, होते हैं. Okay. Now number two, all genes of a person are equally dominant. Now we know that genes are made up of DNA. We already know this. Each cell in the human body contains about 25,000 to 35,000 genes. Okay, so these genes contain instruction that tells us the cell to make molecules called proteins. So these we already learn in the science lesson. Proteins prepare various functions on our body, as we already learned. Okay, to keep you healthy. Now here it is written all genes of a person are equally dominant. Yes or no? If the person has a gene, they have an equally one. In some we already know that in some traits they are dominant and others are recessive. Okay, two genes we can found here. One here is a dominant one and the other traits are the recessive, and that the dominant traits trump the recessive ones. Whether or not a trait is common has to do with how many copies of that genes versions are in the populations. Okay, so that doesn't mean that it is equally dominant. It has a recessive also. Okay, the one. So that means our answer will be false. Okay, now next number three. Number three is human usually have 48 chromosomes. Does human have 48 chromosomes? No. What is that? A chromosomes? Chromosomes actually होता क्या है? A chromosome is an organized package of DNA found in the nucleus of the cell. क्रोमोसोम क्या होता है? इट इज एन पैकेज ऑफ डीएनए. डीएनए का एक पैकेज होता है डेट वी फाउंड इन द न्यूक्ली ऑफ द सेल. ओके, डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिज्म हैव डिफरेंट नंबर ऑफ chromosomes. So human have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Humans के 23 pairs. It is of 23 pairs. That means 46, not 48. So humans have 23 pairs. They are structured within cells that contains a person genes. ऐसे chromosomes it will be like this. So that means it is false because we human have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Okay. Now Number fourth is in genetic cloning is the process of creating an organism that is an exact replica of another. Yes, in genetics the process is known as cloning. Okay, where the organism कैन मेक एन एग्जैक्ट रेप्लिका. हम बोलते हैं ना जुड़वा, तो वो कैसे होता है? डेट इज एन एग्जैक्ट रेप्लिका. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड द क्लोनिंग प्रोसेस. वो क्लोनिंग हमारे ह्यूमंस में हमारे होती है. ओके, सो दीज आर द प्रोसेस. सो डेट इज कॉल्ड ट्रू. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर फिफ्थ. द सेल इज द स्मॉलेस्ट सेल्फ कंटेन्ड लिविंग यूनिट. We already know that cell is the first and the smallest content. Cell के बाद tissue form होता है, जुड़ के tissue will be there. So cell is the smallest and the first, so it will be true. Now number 6. Austrian botanist Gregor Mendel studied garden pea plants to establish his laws of inheritance. Yes, it is true. Okay. Now next. See, filling the blanks. Choose your answer from the help box. Okay, now in the middle of a cell, its control center, the nucleus, it's a control center. I've already written the answer, so you have to write in your textbook. Nucleus, it send instruction to the rest of the cell. सेल के मिडल में इट कंट्रोल द सेंटर. कौन कंट्रोल करता है? सेल के मिडल में कोई चीज होती है, दैट पार्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियस. इट सेंड द इंस्ट्रक्शन टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द cell, so it is the head. Okay, now number 2, cells of the same type group together to form tissues. Yes, tissue is the right answer. सेम टाइप के अगर सेल हो, सो अगर वो एक साथ ग्रुप में आते हैं, बनते हैं ऑब्वियसली, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड टिश्यू. नाउ नंबर 3, dash is a red colored liquid tissue. We already know, blood. Okay, so our answer will be blood. Number 4, dash is stored in the cell nucleus. I already taught you that in the cell nucleus the DNA is stored. Okay, now number 5, even though you have a dash twin, means identical twin, एक जैसे ही है. twins we know एक जैसे बहुत similar होती है faces. So identical twin, your DNA is unique. Even though you have a dash twin, कैसे ट्विन्स होंगे? योर डीएनए इज यूनिक, तो आपका डीएनए कैसा होगा? यूनिक होगा. सो दैट मीन्स आइडेंटिकल ट्विन. ओके, अगर ट्विन आर आइडेंटिकल तो उसका डीएनए कैसा होगा? यूनिक होगा. ओके, नाउ नंबर 6, इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस द डीएनए इज फाउंड इन थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. जो सेल के अंदर जो न्यूक्लियस होता है, देयर यू विल फाइंड द डीएनए दैट इन थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड क्रोमोसोम्स. ओके, now number 7, a chromosome is a thread-like structure inside the cell that controls heredity. Now we know that who controls heredity, किसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है कि क्या चीज़ सिमिलर होगा, नहीं होगा. ओके, chromosomes, chromosome is a thread-like structure. It is like this, weaving type. Now number 8, is DNA, one of the largest known molecule, consists of two long thin strands that are wound around each other to form a spiral. These special structures is called double helix. Now DNA is the largest known molecule. DNA बहुत बड़ा molecules होता है, consist of two long thin strands, पतले से लॉन्ग थिंग स्ट्रैंग्स होते हैं उसमें, डेट आर वाउंड अराउंड ईच अदर, ऐसे गुत्थे में होते हैं, टू फॉर्म अ स्पिरल मतलब राउंड शेप, स्पिरल शेप में होते हैं. दी स्पेशल स्ट्रक्चर, इसी स्पेशल स्ट्रक्चर को क्या बोलते हैं? डबल हेलिक्स. ओके, नाउ नंबर 9, डैश वॉज द फर्स्ट क्लाउड शिप. हु वॉज द फर्स्ट क्लाउड शिप? डॉली. ओके, डॉली इज द नेम of the ship which was the first cloned. Now we all know that what is cloning. Okay, here see, you can see the tidbits here. It is given what is dominant, what is recessive, gens and beans. Okay, building block of DNA is called base. Now number 10, dash are unique to each person, even identical twins. अगर सेम ट्विन्स है, जुड़वा भाई बहन या जुड़वा भाई भाई जो भी है, सेम, अगर दोनों की सेम ट्विन्स, दे आर ट्विन्स, बट अ पर्सन हैज़ अ यूनिक फिंगरप्रिंट्स. ईच पर्सन के अलग अलग फिंगरप्रिंट्स हो सकते हैं. ओके, सो हियर इन tidbits it is given answer. Can you see? Genetics terms are given. Base means a building block of DNA. Gen mapping means location, the position of genes in a chromosomes. Mutations means an inheritable change resulting from an alteration in DNA. These are the terms that are used. Dominant and recessive. I have already explained you what about dominant. It is a greater influence by one of a pair of genes that affect the same inherited characters. Dominant word ही बता देता है उस. And recessive means the failure one of a pair of genes present in an individual to express itself because of the greater influence or dominance of the opposite acting partner. So now you understood what is dominance and recessive. ठीक है. So and here is also given tidbit. Sometimes a gene does not work as it should, or it works in a harmful way. The result may be defect in a part of the body or a disease. कभी कभी genes बरोबर से केमिकल जो काम होना चाहिए वैसा नहीं होता है, फिजियोलॉजी टर्म्स में बोला जाए तो. सो इट गेट हार्मफुल. जैसे हमारे पैर कभी मुड़ जाते हैं, कभी मुड़े हुए ही रहते हैं स्टार्टिंग से, इन द चाइल्डहुड ओनली, डिफॉर्म्स, you will find the skin and all. The condition called albinism is an example. Okay, So these are the condition, the albinism. ये इसका example है, see here. Okay, this is an albinia tiger. See, डिजीज का शिकार होते हैं और डिफेक्ट बॉडी पार्ट्स होते हैं. यू कैन सी हियर द डिफेक्ट बॉडी पार्ट्स. ओके, so I hope you understood the genes. This is very easy lessons actually we have learned in our science subjects. Okay, so these you have to write down answer in your textbook again. Okay, so that's all for today.